Hi, my name is Faith, and today I want to show you how to access data from the 2020 Decennial Census Demographic and Housing Characteristics File, or DHC. The DHC provides demographic and housing characteristics data for a range of geographies found in the United States and Puerto Rico, including age, sex, race, Hispanic or Latino origin, household type, family type, relationship to householder, group quarters population, housing occupancy, and housing tenure. Let's say I want to find data on the reason for housing units being vacant for different levels of geography in Oregon. Specifically, I want data for Salem, all the census tracts in Marin County, and zip code tabulation areas, or ZICTAs, 97301, 97302, and 97304. Let's go into data.census.gov so I can show you how to find this. To start, we're going to go to data.census.gov and click on the Advanced Search button found beneath the search bar on the landing page. I always like to select the geography first, so from the left side of the screen, click on Geography, Place, and Oregon. I don't really want to scroll through this list to find Salem, so I'm going to click in the search box right above the list and enter Salem. And check the box next to Salem City, Oregon when it comes up. To add the census tracts in Marin County to the search, click on Geography again, Census Tract, Oregon, Marin County, and check the box for all census tracts within Marin County. The last geographies I need to add are the 3 ZICTAs. Click on Geography one more time, Zip Code Tabulation Area, and Oregon. Again, I don't want to scroll through the list to get the 3 ZICTAs, so I'm going to use the search box right above the list. If I enter 973, I can find the 3 that I need right here at the top. I just need to check the boxes for ZICTAs 97301, 97302, and 97304. Next, I want to let the site know that I want data found in the 2020 DHC. I can do this by clicking on Surveys, Decennial Census, and checking the box next to the Demographic and Housing Characteristics file. The last thing I want to do is let the site know that I want data for vacant housing units. I can do this by clicking on Topics, Housing, Vacancy, and then checking the box for Vacancy. With these selections made, click on the Search button in the lower right corner of the screen. We get a very short list of tables. Table H5 looks like it may provide what I'm looking for, so I'm going to click on it and take a look. We can see that this is a table broken out by different reasons that housing units were vacant, which is exactly what I was looking for. And if we scroll over, we can see that we have data for all geographies we selected within the data for Salem and the ZICTAs at the end of the table. From the top of the table, we can confirm that we are using the 2020 Demographic and Housing Characteristics file, and the universe of this table is vacant housing units. While we are looking at this table, let's check out some of the buttons found in the ribbon above the table. You can click on the Notes button in the ribbon to view important information relevant to this table, as well as find the link to technical documentation. The link to technical documentation is also provided below. You can add additional geographies using the Geos button. If you want to remove any of the columns from this table, you can use the Hide button. If you hide columns in the table and decide that you don't want it formatted that way anymore, you can use the Restore button to revert the table back to its original format. The Transpose button will transpose the table. To reverse the table after transposing it, just hit the Transpose button again. I hope this tutorial has helped in learning how to find and use data from the 2020 Demographic and Housing Characteristics file. For more guidance on using our site, please visit our resource page at the link below. Thank you.